Welcome to Big Island, Hawaii. Let me show you one of the most popular neighborhoods conveniently located close to Kona downtown. Pualani Estates is a planned community neighborhood in Kailua, Kona, situated on the slope of Pualani and overlooking the Kona coast. It is a family-friendly neighborhood with an adjacent county park offering a baseball diamond, soccer field, and children's play stations. Aloha! I am Chiaki Yamada, real estate broker from Big Island, Hawaii. We are here this charming Pualani Estates home in Kailua, Kona. Welcome to my listing. The 3-bedroom, 2-bath residence is being offered by the original owner. Very gently lived in the second home is in a pristine condition, fully furnished and move-in ready. Gorgeous ocean views are the hallmark of this plantation-style single-level home in Kona's Pualani Estates. Surrounded by an easy-to-maintain lawn and a tropical garden and a fruit tree, the home includes a 2-car garage. The expansive lanai is perfect for morning coffee or sunset cocktails. The grey room, kitchen, and master bedroom all enjoy the beautiful ocean views. The kitchen includes a breakfast bar and there is an adjacent dining area. Let me take you to the 3 bedrooms. Primary bedroom suite faces directly to oceans, offers a beautiful blue ocean view. Primary bathroom is in pristine condition. It comes with walk-in closet and a total washlet. Second bedroom comfortably fits queen-size bed with a large window which invites natural light. Second bathroom is in pristine condition, also comes with total washlet. Third bedroom is almost the same size as the second bedroom with a large window to invite the island breeze. Thank you for watching. If you like Hawaii real estate, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Mahalo! If you or anybody you know thinking about selling or buying a real estate on Big Island, Hawaii, I will be happy to be of your service. See you next time!